Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp account restricted for spam. If you are using WhatsApp and your WhatsApp account has been restricted due to spam, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So let me explain that why these issues come if you are using WhatsApp and you have messages someone again and again, so the person has been reported you, so you can get this type issue that your WhatsApp has temporarily blocked or restricted your account due to spam. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. There's a simple way. You have to go to the support center of WhatsApp, and here you have to appeal for your spamming. So you just have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for support.whatsapp. So search for WhatsApp support or support WhatsApp, and here you will get the option of contact WhatsApp or WhatsApp help center. I'm going to select contact WhatsApp from here, and here you can easily select the option of contact us or in view support options. Simply tap on this option, and here you just have to enter your phone number, then email address, and here you have to select on which you are using the WhatsApp. Once you have selected, you have to enter your message or describe your problem here. And once you have that, you just have to simply tap on this next step, and your message will be sent through your email. And after that, you'll get the response, or your account will be fixed in a few days. It might take 2 days or a week or a month, so you just have to wait for it. So that's how you can easily fix if your WhatsApp account has been restricted due to spam. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.